in today's video, we're going to compare the good quality kitchen cabinet and the bad quality one. So the first feature of good quality kitchen cabinet is going to be the robust joinery, thick shelves and solid frame. Okay, so robust joinery. Utilize strong joints like dovetail or mortise and tenon, ensuring stability and longevity for your kitchen cabinet. Second one, solid frame. Constructed with solid wood with high-grade plywood, providing a sturdy structure that can bear heavy loads. Last but not least, the thick shelves. Equipped with thick, reinforced shelves at least 3 or 4 inches that resist sagging and support substantial weight for your kitchen cabinet. The bad quality kitchen cabinet is gonna be the exact opposite one. Let's say flimsy frame and then not solid joinery, etc. So what does the bad one have for the kitchen cabinet? First one is the weak joinery. Rely on staples, glue or simple nails, leading to joints that can easily loosen over time. Last but not least, the thin shelves. Use thinner shelves 1 or 2 inches less that easily bend or collapse when loaded with certain goods or certain weight. So the other features that good quality kitchen cabinet have is gonna be the handles and knobs and very long lasting hinges and slides. So for premium hinges and slides, it features soft close hinges and full extension drawer slides for smooth and quiet operation. The other is durable handles and knobs, made from high quality materials like stainless steel, brass and brushed nickel, offering both functionality and style. Last but not least, the consistency of the performance. Hardware is built to withstand frequent use without deteriorating quickly. So when it comes to the bad quality, then of course you would have the cheap hinges and slides. They use basic, often noisy hardware they can stick or fall, leading to frustrating operation. And the inconsistency of the functionality. Hardware may malfunction, requiring frequent repairs or replacement for your kitchen cabinet. And then the other very attracting features that good quality kitchen cabinet offers you is gonna be the customizability and your ability to design yourself. The other essential points are gonna be the customization and design ability. Flexible customization offer adjustable shelves, multiple door style and various finishes to your good quality kitchen cabinet. And also not forget the tailored fit design can be custom sized to fit specific kitchen dimensions, ensuring a seamless and integrated look. Last but not least, the diverse design options provide a wide range of styles from traditional to modern, allowing homeowners to create their own personalized aesthetic. So when it comes to bad quality kitchen cabinet, it's gonna be the limited customization. Typically come in standard sizes with few options for personalization, making it hard to fit unique kitchen spaces. The other point is generic designs offer only basic styles and finishes which may not complement all kitchen decors. Last but not least, the poor fit often have inconsistent dimensions, leading to gaps or misalignment. So fourthly, the other good features that good quality kitchen cabinet offers you is going to be the quality of the workmanship and material. One of the best benefits of good quality kitchen cabinet is the long-lasting materials. They constructed from durable materials like aluminium or solid plywood, ensuring cabinet remain functional and attractive for decades. Another point is minimal maintenance, require less frequent repairs or replacement due to superior construction and materials. Last but not least, the resistant to damage. High quality finishes ensure that they can withstand spills, heat or even heavy use without significant damage. When it comes to the other hand, bad quality kitchen cabinet is going to be the short lifespan. They're made from inferior materials like degrade quickly, often needing replacement within 5 years. The other one is the high maintenance cost. Frequent issues like warping, peeling finishes and broken hardware is necessary ongoing repairs. Last but not least, the easily damaged. They're always susceptible to moisture, heat and heavy use for your kitchen cabinet. Then last but not least, the good quality kitchen cabinet is gonna be the long-term value that the kitchen cabinet can provide you. Of course, in terms of long-term value, the good quality kitchen cabinet always have the higher ends. Higher initial investment, generally more expensive upfront, but the cost is offset by their durability and longevity. For the guys who love savings, reduce the need for frequent repairs or replacements, saving money over time. Last but not least, the increased home value enhance the overall value of your home, making them a worthwhile investment if you plan to sell your houses in the future. Even though bad quality kitchen cabinets have lower initial costs, more affordable initially, but you're gonna have frequent replacement costs. You're gonna require more frequent replacement and repairs, leading to higher accumulated costs over time. The other point is the no impact on home value. They do not significantly enhance home value and may even deter potential buyers due to their poor quality. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So, if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.